Hi all, I'm Dr. Sujata Pawar. So today we will understand the connection between your brain and your gut, your digestive system. So if you're constipated since many years, because there are people who are literally constipated for months to years, to 10 years, to 15 years, to 20 years, to 25 years, or all their life, and that condition is not taken at all seriously. So how much important it is to understand about your gut health, and how much important it is to think about your digestive system. If you're constipation, how much important it is to get it treated right in first place. So that's all we will understand today. So most importantly, we will see how your brain and your gut is connected to each other. So I'll give you a very simple example. हम लोग जब बहुत हैप्पी होते हैं तो हमारे पेट में बटरफ्लाइज फ्लाई होते हैं, एंड व्हेन वी आर सैड, वी आर नर्वस, यू मे फील नॉशिएटेड, या यू मे फील द अर्ज ऑफ पासिंग मोशंस, या स्पेशली इन स्मॉल किड्स व्हेन दे डोंट वांट टू गो टू स्कूल, दे विल कम अप एंड कंप्लेन दैट मेरा स्टमक पेन हो रहा है. मैनी टाइम्स दे फेक इट, बट मैनी टाइम्स दैट्स रियली hurting because the gut is connected to the brain. So now you understand how commonly we come across these situations, and how the gut is directly connected to the brain. So scientifically speaking, according to Ayurveda, it said that rogaha sarve api manda agni. Every single ailment begins from your stomach. Every single ailment, right from simple acidity to hair fall, to skin ailments, to joint pain, to asthmatic conditions, to severe conditions like spondylitis or neurological disorders, or even you may have cancer. So every single ailment begins from your stomach. Rogaha sarve api manda agni. So talking about the connection, how it's also connected in another way, is there's an entire nervous system called the enteric nervous system in the digestive system. So there are many neurons in the intestine, in the digestive tract, and जैसे spinal cord में काफ़ी सारे neurons होते हैं, similarly there are many neurons in the intestinal tract as well. So for example, if you have a spinal cord injury, तो a person may have spondylitis, या he may have severe signs and symptoms like tingling and numbness of fingers, या पूरा sensation चला जाता है पैरों का, paralysis, so to having giddiness and all these symptoms. Similarly, if a person is having a problem with the gut, मतलब अगर there is some infection or some injury happening to the gut neurons or the digestive tract neurons, there are various severe ailments a person can suffer from. So hence, taking care of your gut health should be the utmost priority of every single human being. So if you're constipated, you should make sure that you're not constipated tomorrow. If you're constipated today, so you are not supposed to keep that condition for a longer term, for a longer duration, because constipation may lead to severe consequences. The nerves in the gut are so important that they can eventually affect the nerves in the brain. So taking care of your gut health is of utmost importance. If your gut is in trouble, it sends signals to your brain, and if your brain is in trouble, it will send signals to your gut. So there's a direct connection between your gut and your brain. So hence, you should understand very well that if you are suffering from constipation, like if you're having hard motions, if you're having sticky motions, if you have to strain while passing motions, if you don't feel satisfied after passing motions, if you're having bloatedness, flatulence, या burps kind of symptoms, your chronic acidity, all these symptoms arise with chronic constipation. Get your constipation treated right today, because eventually if you keep going on with the same condition, with being constipated for years and years, you may have severe ailments. So whenever you have chronic constipation, you may have ailments like acne, या feeling weak physically, you don't feel good. But not only physically, mental fatigue, mental sluggishness is also very commonly seen sign due to chronic constipation. So mental and physical weakness or fatigue is the commonest sign and symptom which comes after constipation. Apart from that, you may have acidity, you may have skin ailments, you may have hair problems, you may have vision related problems, you may have asthma, lung infections, you may have kidney disorders, there could be issues related to infertility as well, और conception में problem आना, or having menstrual irregularities, you may suddenly put on lot of weight, or you may have weight loss as well. And going ahead, if you don't treat it on time, there could be serious consequences. People also have spondylitis or spinal cord ailments without any history of fall or injury, but they definitely have this history of chronic constipation and not having a good dietary regime. Apart from that, you may have serious or severe neurological conditions as well, like feeling mentally sluggish, or you may feel anxious, you may feel nervous, you may have depression. Apart from that, you may have musculoskeletal disorders as well, and it could lead to severe disorders like cancer as well. So don't take constipation lightly. You need to get it treated right away. If you're constipated for a day or two, then it's all right, but make sure you're following and checking your motions, the status of your motions every single day. And if you feel constipated, if you feel bloated, get your regime corrected, your dietary regime, your lifestyle corrected, or get some medical help. But do not take constipation lightly, and always understand how it's all connected. It's one body, so every single bodily factor or bodily system is connected to other. So you have to take every single sign and symptom sent by your body very seriously.